Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day as a very auspicious occasion because on 15 August 1947, India became free from Britishers after a long period of time. Today, we will having a program presented by third class composed by Mrs. Amarpreet Ma'am, which is based on role play of freedom fighters. First of all, I would like to pay special attention to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Rosie Sharma. Thank you so much, ma'am. You always encourage us to organize such function in spite of online classes. I would like to thank Mrs. Amarpreet ma'am for organizing this event so that we children could understand the meaning of real freedom. Let's begin our event by calling our first contestant with electrifying slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So my dear friends, please welcome our first contestant, Devesh S. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Devesh, you can unmute yourself.
Morning, respected teachers and my friends. My name is Devesh. I am in class 3rd. Today I am going to perform an act of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, also known as Lokmanya Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. We will not be quiet till we get independence. It is time to do or die. Why did the 1857 freedom struggle fail? Because we never fight as one. Learn English, so we established school and published newspaper, Kesari. Remember, service to the nation is service to the God. Enough of thinking, enough of planning. Let's come together and fight against British. स्वराज के लिए खून बहाना ही होगा, नहीं तो मिले हुए स्वराज की कोई कीमत नहीं होगी. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Moving to our next contestant, give me blood and I will give you freedom. They played a vital role to make our India free. So let's welcome our next contestant, Bhavyan Saini as Subhash Chandra Bose. Please Bhavyan, turn on your microphone.
My father name is John Enoch Bose. My mother name is Prabhavati Dutt. I founded Azad Hind Army in 1942. I believe in Bhagavad Gita ji. I am also known as Netaji, the name of given by Rabindranath Tagore. I am Subhash Chandra, an Indian freedom fighter. Give me blood and I give you freedom. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, dear. Now you can mute yourself. Moving to our next contestant, one of the very well-known women fighter who stood against Britishers very strongly. So please welcome our next contestant, Deepshika as Begum Hazrat. Deepshika, you can turn your microphone on.
I am Begum Hazrat Meher. I was also known as Begum of Awadh. I was the first Indian female freedom fighter. I was born in 1820 at Awadh. I was also played an important role in the revolt of 1857 against the British rule. Jai Hind. Thank you.
There was a personality who does not even belongs to India. She was not even Indian, but stood by our side in the war of freedom. Lady with a great soul. Please welcome Mehak as Annie Besant. Mehak, please turn on your microphone.
Annie Besant was born 1 October 1847 in London. Annie Besant arrived in India in 1893. Regarded as champion of human freedom, She was British. She was first woman president of Indian National Congress. Thank you.
Over to our next contestant. चमक उठी सन 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Please welcome our next contestant, Trisha as Rani Lakshmibai. Trisha, please turn on your microphone.
Thank you, Rana. Good morning, inspectors, teachers, and
Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika, class 3rd B. Today I speak a few lines on Rani Lakshmibai. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Rani Lakshmibai was the queen of Jhansi and one of the popular leader of the 1857 revolution. Lakshmibai born on 19 November 1835, Varanasi in India. She knew horse riding and sword fighting. She was a true freedom fighter. She fought with Britishers very bravely to save Jhansi.
Vande Mataram was his slogan. He preached us non-violence, simple life, high thinking. No intro needed? Please welcome our next contestant, Aditi as Mahatma Gandhi. Please Aditi, switch on your microphone.
My name is Aditi Tanuli. I am studying 3rd class, roll number 3 in Kinder Vidyalaya number 2, Jalandhar Kent. Hello friends, I am Gandhiji. He was born on 2 October. His father was government officer. He was the founder of Indian National Congress. He left for higher Indian studies in London. He died on 30 January 1948.
There was a personality who does not even belongs to India. She was not even Indian, but stood by our side in the war of freedom. Lady with a great soul. Please welcome Mehak as Annie Besant. Mehak, please turn on your microphone. Yes, we are talking about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So my dear friends, please welcome our next contestant Dhanishka as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Please Dhanishka, turn on your microphone.
I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. My father's name is Mr. Motilal Nehru and my mother's name is Mrs. Saroj Rani Nehru. I love children very much. That's why my birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I'm Navya. Today I am going to about freedom fighter Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh to all of you. Bhagat Singh was permanent freedom fighter in independence movement. He was born in September 28, 1907 in Punjab, India to a Sikh family. Bhagat Singh's dad and uncle were freedom fighters, which encouraged to join the movement. He devoted her life in independence movement at age of 13. He commonly called Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh among the currents. Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Jai Hind! Thank you.
Sarojini Naidu. I am a poetess as well as a freedom fighter. I am also known as Nightingale of India due to my poetic qualities. Through my poems, I awakened the spirit of freedom struggle of India. I became the president of Indian Congress in year 1925. I was the first governor of India. That's all about me. Vande Mataram. Unmute yourself. At the end of today's event, I must say that today we have learned a lot of things. We heard about freedom fight and also read about it. But today, with the role played by our fellow friends, we could feel our freedom fighter alive. I hope these kind of activities would continue the same way so that we small kids could understand and observe the reality of life.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं तेरे शीर से धरती है रांझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू